Let's see who rides faster. Different day, different problem.
Riusciamo a vedere carroquinho de café. Dentro, je crois que vous caméra, mais là, filme le caméra.
Let's see if he holds until Cairo. Hi. Tea plantation in Rwanda. Loving this tree plantation. They look so nice and green. See how easy it is to get into Uganda. Uganda. Anti-Ebola procedures. First views of Uganda. I entered Uganda a few hours ago. It was pissing rain. Now there is a bit of sunshine, and I just climbed that here, there, and there's lots of people in Uganda, like Rwanda. Lots of begging as well, and I'm a little annoyed that I spend lots of time to get a SIM card registered with a passport and everything. And at the end, my internet, my data doesn't work, so I don't know. It will be a week before I get to Kampala, maybe sort it out there. I'm trying to get to a lake and then do a very nice bikepacking route till Kampala. It should be like about 500-600 kilometers. Should be fun. Let's go. And this is where I hit the Trans-Uganda Trail, the bikepacking route that will take me to Kampala. It's kind of cold, it's humid. Well, it's cold because I just descended about 12 kilometers from about 2,400 meters above the sea level, and I hit the lake. Today it rained a lot and it's very humid, so it's coldish. Or not coldish, but it's a bit chilly.